Hello my queen, and welcome to LesBellesDEbene, a space dedicated to the encouragement, development, and fulfillment of African women. My queen, the second key we will discuss today, which will allow you to stay in a good mood despite the tribulations and struggles, is to learn to control your thoughts, so as not to let negativity take over. Our thoughts, godmother, are like seeds. If you let fear, doubt, anger, and sadness grow in your mind, they will take root and influence your mood and behavior. But you have the power to choose what to focus on. Controlling your thoughts means protecting your inner peace and good mood. Here are 5 practical examples to control your thoughts and stay in a good mood. The first example is to identify negative thoughts as soon as they arise. For example, when you find yourself thinking, "I'll never make it," stop and replace that thought with God, everything is possible. The second example is to practice meditation on positive verses. Choose a Bible verse like, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," Philippians 4:13, and repeat it several times a day. The third example is to write your negative thoughts on a piece of paper, and then symbolically tear them up. This action helps you free yourself from these toxic thoughts. The fourth example is to limit the time you spend ruminating or dwelling on problems. When you find yourself going over and over in your head, take a break, change activities, or pray. The fifth example is to surround your mind with positive and encouraging words. Listen to songs that uplift your soul, read inspiring books, talk with encouraging friends. Place your hand on your heart, mother, and repeat this statement with me several times, to control your thoughts and stay positive. Repeat it this time in a row, every morning and every evening. Saying this, "I choose peace in my thoughts. My thoughts are guided by the light and truth of God." Today, my queen, write down a negative thought that you want to replace. Then write next to it the positive thought that will replace it. Share this positive thought in the comments if you wish, to inspire other women. And if this key helped you, remember to like, share this video with your loved ones and subscribe, so you don't miss the next key. The next key, my queen, will show you how to nourish your body and mind to strengthen your good mood. Because everything is connected in your life, so stay connected so you don't miss the next keys that will help you always stay happy and joyful. God bless you and see you very soon.